Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been a while. I had my gender reveal last week and I got sick and well But anyways, today I will be showing you my eyebrow routine using Urban Decay's Naked 2 palette. Sorry about my face. I know it's all fluffy and pale. But anyways, so let's begin. Alright, so this is the brush I'm going to use. It's the angle brush. I recommend this when you're doing your eyebrows. And I'm not a professional makeup artist. This is just what I do. Everybody is different. But if you wanted to find out, this is how I basically do my eyebrows. Like I said, this is just how I do it. I'm not sure if it's the right way, if it's the wrong way. I just know that on my regular routines, I will always do my eyebrows like this when I'm using the Naked 2 palette. I look kind of crazy, right? Alright, so what you want to do now is you want to actually add some more definition into your eyebrows by adding like little sparse of hair, fake hair onto it. As you can see, I'm just adding like little lines, the strokes bringing it up. It gives it more of an illusion that your eyebrows are more thick. Now this is just with the color blackout. If you like your eyebrows nice and dark, I recommend using this color, but if not, you may want to go a shade a little bit lighter. And don't worry if you mess up, because we have the concealer at the end. And yeah, so this is basically what I'm doing. Yeah, like I said, eyebrows are not going to be identical. If you have identical eyebrows, you are so lucky, but I don't. My eyebrows are sisters, and they will always be just sisters, but not identical sisters. So this is basically how it looks like after I finish using the color blackout. I am going to fill it up more, giving it an ombre effect with the color tease. And this is basically just a finisher. I stroke it going up and down with the angle brush, and you could tell right away that it's filling in the eyebrows more. It's giving it a nice ombre effect, and yeah, this is how I like to do it. And as you can see, it's not filled in. Once you fill it in, it doesn't look so sparse. The end of your brows. I have seen a lot of other makeup artists do that, but I just tend to like to do only the bottom unless I feel like I need to fix the top. But otherwise, this is basically what I'm doing, and I'm blending it out. And there you go. My eyebrows are almost finished. I'm just gonna do one more step. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Like I said, they're not perfect, but I'm gonna basically use this little highlighter from the Naked 2 palette and just add a little bit just to define it more and make it stand out, make it pop. I'm not doing a full makeup routine. Right, so this is the Anastasia's brow gel. I'm just going to add a little coat of this onto my brows so it doesn't make my hair look so flat, especially with all the powder that I basically just used. So it definitely helps out a lot. I really do recommend this. Plus it stays in place, which is really important. You don't want to itch your eye and then all of a sudden bam, your eyebrows are gone. So yeah guys, this is how I do my brows using a Naked 2 palette. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching and hope to see you guys soon. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my video. And yeah, that's it. Thank you. Have a great day guys. Bye.